Pisces, this is your channel messages for the 13th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby, psychic medium, spiritual practitioner, and tarot reader. Pisces, this is your channel song. Gonna remember you, you're gonna remember me. I'm gonna remember you, you're gonna remember me. I'm gonna remember you, you're gonna remember me. Pisces, I saw you with your new girl just yesterday, and I feel that I must confess, even though it kills me to have to say, I'll admit that I was impressed. Physically just short of attention, gotta commend you on your selection. Though I know I shouldn't be concerned, in the back of my mind I can't help but question, does she rub your feet when you've had a long day? Scratch your scalp when you take out your braids? Know that you like to play PS6 till 6 in the morning like I do. I can't explain this feeling, I think about it every day. And even though we've moved on, it gets so hard to walk away. Walk away, walk away, na-na, ooh. I'm telling you, tell me, Pisces, why did you downsize? Why did you down class, Pisces? Blasphemy. Where is your Torah? Did your Torah not tell you? I'm gonna remember you, you're gonna remember me. Pisces? Does she rub your feet when you've had a long day? Scratch your scalp when you take out your braids? Know that you like to play PS2 till 6 in the morning like I do. I'm getting, you cannot explain this feeling, Pisces. It gets stronger every day. And even though you wanted to move on, it gets so hard to walk away, Pisces. I know. I'm a divorcee. You don't have to tell me about walking away, Pisces. I know it. I do. So let's go ahead and go into your reading, okay? Let's see what's your career. This is your career spread though. So maybe you need to walk away from that job. Walk away from that manager who's sexually harassing you. Or walk away from that co-worker who won't make you his girlfriend. Why won't you make me your girlfriend? You want to be my girlfriend? No problem. Here, what? Just get a job, get a good credit, make sure that my family member likes you, and just be presentable. Stop saying that! I ain't no fucking domesticated bitch. I'm from motherfucking Jamaica. Let's go. Let's see where your focus is. All right? So leaving the job, leaving your work, boo, or leaving whatever this is. We got the King of Pentacles coming out first, so your focus is a Capricorn, okay? I'm getting a man with money or the man with the bank. I'm getting the man, him smell like money. Him smell like an ATM bank, Lord Jesus. So him smell like a walking AC. Right, okay, so that's your focus. Your focus is on a Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. What is your advice? It's a Knight of Swords. So I'm getting this Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo man want to talk to you. They want to give you some advice. Maybe some advice on finances or some advice as to whether you should or should not walk away. Your mentorship is the Two of Cups. So I'm getting, no, they don't want you to walk away. Maybe you were with this person, you left, you're going to come back again with them. You're reuniting with them. You're getting a reunited with a Capricorn. Pisces, this is your card. This could be you. I'm getting you're going to get communication from a Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo man. They want to talk to you. What's your sign? Your sign is the Three of Pentacles. So Two of Cups, Three of Pentacles. I'm getting an opportunity that involves work and love. So again, I don't know if this is a work boo. I don't know if you're dating a boss, if you're dating somebody in the job. But I'm getting it gets so hard for walk away. So if the relationship break, maybe you want to leave the business. Or I'm getting that's the point. Just because the relationship break up, it doesn't mean that you guys are not business partners anymore. Maybe that's the point. So you broke up from a Capricorn or you broke up from a Pisces. Yeah, you guys left the relationship. You guys still have a business to work on. Where do you think you're going? Basically, you're going to go work for somebody else? The fuck? Right? What's the outcome? The Nine of Swords, yeah. But I'm getting you're saying to somebody, if I can't trust you as a boyfriend, girlfriend, how can I trust you as a business partner? Some people are better business partners than boyfriends. Some people are better fathers than husbands. It just depends. But I'm getting if you don't trust somebody to love, you don't trust them for going to business with them. But they will always say if you don't mix business and pleasure. So you weren't supposed to be fucking anybody you're making money with anyways. Not unless both of you are independent business owners. Now, if that's not it, me getting a Capricorn, when contact you, the Capricorn won't hire you. Capricorn that you dated or that likes you, they're going to hire you to work for them. Now, they don't know if you're going to take the job because unless someone is trying to show you the job without showing you who is the one who's giving you the job, right? Maybe the Capricorn don't want you to see them, but me getting them and give you one job. Or you're going to go to one place, you're going to see somebody you're familiar with, this Capricorn, Taurus, Virgo man. Me getting them don't know if you're going to talk to them, them don't know if you're going to cuss them off, them don't know where you're going to when you see them, but them want to get you into the same building that they're in. Because if they had you already, them want you back. They might just give you a work opportunity to lower your back this time, okay? Or again, something is just better, professional. Or I'm getting you can't mix both. Because I'm getting you're carrying over relationship feelings into business decisions. Something that you want you just to go up on a date. You want to go on a vacation with your man. So now you're in the business room and you tell your man, say we're not going to take clientele for the month of January to February because we want to go on a vacation. You're mixing business with pleasure. You have to do the business first, and when pleasure time comes, you do the pleasure. That could be it. When you can't differentiate being a couple and being business partners. Alright, let's see what your advice is. I am the game. Great, great. Third eye. Judgment. We got Pisces. I'm telling you. Man, rub me my motherfucking money, man. Why are you guys always doing this to me? Have I not proved myself enough? All expense paid. And the Chariot and Cuddle. So something about a police officer. We have Cancer and Pisces here. Okay. So, yeah. Pisces. I'm gonna remember you. You're gonna remember me. I'm gonna remember you. You're gonna remember me. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time. Bye.